Unlock your team's full potential with Dropbox Business, your ultimate solution for streamlined collaboration and secure file management. Let's dive in first. Understand that Dropbox Business is designed to centralize all your team's important documents, making them accessible and manageable from anywhere. Organizing your projects is the cornerstone of efficiency. Simply click the Create button and select Folder. Give your new project folder a clear, descriptive name, like Q3 Marketing Campaign or Client Onboarding. Adding files is as easy as drag and drop. You can also upload individual files or entire folders directly from your computer, ensuring all project-related documents are in one prime location. Sharing is where Dropbox Business truly shines. Select the folder or file, and click the Share button. You can invite team members by email or generate a shareable link. Crucially, you have granular control over who sees what. When sharing, you can assign specific access levels. Choose Can Edit if you want collaborators to modify files, or Can View for read-only access, safeguarding your important documents. But Dropbox Business doesn't operate in a vacuum. It seamlessly integrates with your favorite productivity tools. Click on Integrations to connect with apps like Slack for instant communication or Microsoft Office for real-time document co-editing. This means you can comment on documents directly within Dropbox, track changes with version history, and ensure everyone is always working with the most up-to-date information, dramatically enhancing team efficiency. By mastering these features, you'll transform how your team works, making collaboration effortless and file management a breeze. Start leveraging Dropbox Business for a more productive and organized future. Dropbox Business collaboration tools.